For Mr. Richard Himyola. Once again, let's give it up for Mr. Richard Himyola.
Hello, good evening everyone. The reason why we put this project, because we wanted to encourage young people to be kind. The reason why Best Magazine collaborated with Cloud7, because I wanted na magkaroon sila ng magandang example, maging magandang halimbawa sila, not only showing their talents, but meron silang inner beauty na maibibigay nila sa community. So that's very simple. I know you're excited. Excited na ba kayo?
Yeah.
Malapit na, after this awarding, konti lang naman, then we will proceed the main event, yung inaantay ninyo. I'm very, very honored and very thankful yung mga galing pang probinsya, galing Iloilo, galing Cebu, at saka yung galing din sa Batangas and Cavite, para lang manood sa first major concert ng Cloud7 with Marian Bermundo and Yancy De Vera. Okay, so I'm going to award at least 6 awardees tonight for my second Philippine Young Achievers Award 2025. With me to award is an international fashion designer, Miss Virgie Bermundo. Palakpakan naman po natin si Ma'am Virgie Bermundo. The first award, I'll read first, an award given to young individual in recognition of your outstanding talent, contribution, positive impact, and dedication to your community, often highlighting your initiative, leadership, commitment to making a difference. Given this 28th day of February 2025, Music Museum, Green Hills, San Juan City, we call on Hale Froyalde, promising songwriter, singer, and dancer. Jill. Our next award is Yuna Faith S. Pepino. Stephanie Santos, K-pop Pinay artist, social media influencer. Advocate for Youth Empowerment awardee, the famous Broadway singer Ima Castro. Palakpakan po natin ulit. Kaya lang po na-invite ko si Ma'am Emma kasi gusto niya talaga mag-support sa youth empowerment. Ay, siya na lang. Our next awardee is Jerry Violago, recording artist, songwriter, music producer. Advocate for Youth Empowerment awardee, Sai Soriano. Malapit na po. Last na po, and we will start the first concert of Cloud 7. Excited na ba kayo? Ay, hindi ko narinig. Excited na ba kayo? Okay, the last is Alec Calata, singer, songwriter, actor. Ay, may isa pa pala. Ito naman for the newest P-pop group, One Verse. Excited na ba kayo? Kilala niyo ba ang One Verse? Congratulations to all the second Philippine Young Achievers awarded for 2025. But before sila kakanta ang first concert, meron palang isang special award na bigay ng municipality ng Sablayan, Mindoro for Cloud 7. Pero ang tatanggap nito, ang magbibigay po nito ang mga staff ng Office of the Mayor from Sablayan Tourism, and to accept the award is the Discoverer and Talent Manager of Cloud 7, si Sir Jay Lysol. Kilala niyo ba siya?
Yeah, may I read the citation for, would you like to read this?
Good evening, everyone. So we would like to award the Certificate of Recognition presented to Cloud 7 as Tourism Ambassadors of Sablayan Occidental, Mindoro in recognition of your outstanding contribution to promoting Sablayan as a premier tourist destination. Your dedication to showcasing its beauty, culture, and adventure has significantly enhanced its visibility and appeal to travelers and tourists alike. Through your unwavering support and commitment, you have played a vital role in strengthening the local tourism industry and inspiring others to explore and appreciate the wonders of our municipality. Given this 28th day of February at Music Museum, Manila, Philippines, signed by our Senior Tourism Operations Officer, Sylvia T. Salgado, Sangguniang Bayan member Marvin B. Dulay, and of course our Municipal Mayor of Sablayan Occidental, Mindoro, Honorable Walter B. Marquez. Congratulations once again.
In behalf of Cloud 7, thank you so much. Sablayan Mindoro, sobrang minahal namin talaga yung Sablayan kasi doon kami kumuha ng first music video from Tarana. Siguro mo nakita nyo naman na very comparative ang mga natural resources na meron ng Sablayan. Maraming salamat.
Last picture na then we're going to start the concert.
Oo nga po kasi. Nag-video. Umalis ka dyan ako.